done such a bad job at vlogging today, but I just got home. I had my last final ever in my whole life. Well, if I go back to school ever, but I'm done. And I got home and I got my new lens in. So I've just been messing around with it and seeing how I like it. I can show you guys our Christmas tree. There's a baby photo of me, if you guys have ever wondered. Typical messy hair, brown, everything. That one's me. There's me, and I think 5th grade, maybe? There's Shelby. There's me again with the front bangs. My mom never let them go. Sorry that everything is getting focused in and out and everything's super bright or not bright. I'm practicing with my new lens. So that's it for now, guys. Hi guys, so last time we talked, I'm not really sure. It's been a while, but I am up north at my parents' cabin for the weekend, and we're having like a Christmas weekend, and it snowed, tons of snow. And my mom, I don't like hot drinks, and my mom really wants me to drink something like holiday-ish, so she wants me to drink eggnog. I've never had eggnog, so she's forcing me to try it, and I'm scared, but I didn't film this, but this week I tried sushi for the first time, so I'm being pretty adventurous. So I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna try it. Wait, hold on, I need to get something in case I don't like it. I can wash it down. Is you getting snow all down your pants? Snowing! I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's snowing. Oh, it's so pretty. Man, I wish snow showed up on camera better. Oh wait, I think it's showing. Yeah, it's showing up. We're going riding.
Wait, hold on.
We're going riding. Woo! We're in the Jeep and they're in the Suzuki. Boys against girls. Shelby, let's see you squat.
Will you help me?
Shelby wants me to help her go pee.
I'm gonna get on my pants. No, Carly, I don't know how.
Toilet paper, because that's necessary, right?
What do you?
Oh, it's getting so wet. Look at how pretty it is,
No,
everybody.
Carly, no.
Look.
Oh, David, don't. Tell David, don't come over here.
So my parents have a competition of whose car is cooler. So we're gonna take a photo of them. Okay, we are back on the road.
But it'll be a little more exciting.
And we picked up a new person. Where are you, Chris? Oh, there he is. So we're going on the road. Let me get my breath. Can you see it? It's probably too much. So now we're back on the road. And here's what it looks like. Super icy. Mom driving. See you later. Update. The car died. Uh-oh. Help us.
Has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
Phone is dead. Car is dead.
We ran out of gas.
We're stranded.
We're gonna eat. One of us is gonna have to eat the other for survival.
I wasn't going that crazy, but guess that's gonna happen too.
Your arm's looking pretty meaty right now.
So my phone's dead, car's dead. Pretty sure Christian doesn't get service out here. And then I'm gonna be
We're
dead.
gonna cook you.
Mom.
You got a way to start a fire, Christian?
I know how to start a fire.
Alright. Little roast arm.
I hope they turn around soon because I need to get out of here before I die. Shoot, we're about to get hit. Let's watch this interaction.
I think we ran out of gas.
Update. We are trying to drag it. I don't think this is gonna work out. Christian and I pushed it up that hill.
Okay.
And now
With the help of a...
we're attaching it to here. See if we can get it out. Update. We are pulling the Jeep now behind the Suzuki with a chain. And here's David driving. So, last time we talked, we were stranded. We're home now. And we're making gingerbread in the house. And my mom's baking cookies.
Look how rosy little cheeks are.
Why are my cheeks that red?
I don't know, it's cute.
I look sunburned.
It's cute.
That's not cute. I look like the Snapchat emoji. You know the Snapchat emoji with the red cheeks? The rainbow mouth?
Still confused on the goggles though.
For wind. Here is the final gingerbread house. A really sad tragedy happened when we walked away for a little bit to bake cookies. Mr. Frosty, with the gun in his hand, showed up to the house unexpectedly and did horrible things to this family. And so now they will star in the next season of American Horror Story, Christmas edition.
One can say Mr. Frosty is the most deadly caroler.
Gracie, hello. Gonna bake some cookies now. Or eat them. Hi guys, so it is Saturday night, about 5:30ish. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. No. So, we are filling up the car right now, and we are headed back down to Phoenix, and we're going to a graduation party, and that's it. Just an update. We took some photos before we left, and so pretty. Lots of snow. Yep, that's it. Just wanted to update you where we were at. Bye. Hi guys, so my camera's gonna die pretty soon, so I need to finish up this vlog quick, but...
Hey guys, so Carly said she didn't want to finish her vlog, but a lot of you guys see Carly, you know, doing, you know, DIY stuff and editorial stuff on, you know, her channel and stuff like that. But I really wanted to give you guys an inside look on what Carly actually does on a daily basis.
I do not do this on a daily basis.
You look like a burrito.
I'm busy. I'm busy.
Being a burrito.
I'm busy being a burrito.
Being a burrito.
Can you end the vlog? Ow, I just hit myself in the face. Let me finish the vlog so I can get back to my work.
Your work.
That's a bad scene. That's a bad scene. Don't show that. Let me fast forward. It's work. I put in a lot of time. I'm on season 8, and it's only been like a month.
We know.
So it look like my head's floating.
I guess.
Okay. Guys, this is the... Guys, this is the end of this week's vlog. I went to a bonfire today, and I went to church, and I did laundry, and I cleaned my room, but it doesn't look like I did. And no, don't show them. And I watched Grey's Anatomy, and I'm gonna go to bed. Because Jacob's forcing me to, and then I'm gonna go to work in the morning, and then I'm gonna graduate college. So that's the end of this week's vlog. check in next week for more exciting stuff. Bye. Turn it off.
It is.
No, it's not. Otherwise, you wouldn't be still standing there all awkward.
I'm just trying to make you think it's the one.
Let me see it then.
You're looking at the camera, dude.
I see the red button. Stop recording me. I want to end this week's vlog. I need to get back to work. Jacob, turn it off. It's just me, Carla. Do it. Turn it off. Oh. Turn it off.